Join us on a relaxing journey through Galle.
Trying local foods.
Watching sunset from possibly the most dangerous location.
Having an amazing massage.
And trying some of the best gelato we have ever tried.
Your Sri Lanka trip isn't complete without visiting Galle, and let us show you why.
Hi everyone, beautiful people!
We are Silky and Kieran, and we're in our 10-year honeymoon world trip. And this is our Tuki.
Yep, Tuk-tuk, which still doesn't have a name by the way, so help us
If
out
you have
there.
an ID, let us know.
In the comments. Let's hit the road. We have arrived. We actually saw some tourists walking in our direction and we offered them a lift and one of them said, "I join you." Yeah?
Yeah, of course!
Go for it. So we took them to the best beach we know in the area, which is Unawatuna. So
we love this about having a tuk-tuk. We can just like take people on rides, bring them to wherever they need to be. And
it's good fun.
it is. But now explore Galle. We actually spent 3 months in Sri Lanka 1.5 years ago, and we did the whole island. We just had like the most amazing time. But this is the first time we're visiting Galle, so it's kind of exciting because it looks already very beautiful.
Galle is famous for Galle Fort, which is, I think it was Dutch occupied. And this beautiful lighthouse as well, which they say is an amazing spot to watch sunsets. So I think we're going to come back here a bit later on, but I think the first port of call is just to walk the streets and see where we end up.
Since arriving 5 minutes ago, we've seen approximately 5,432 jewelry shops. Crazy.
You want a picture?
Yeah.
Like with your phone?
No, you take picture. I'm my WhatsApp number.
We just got hired on the street. They asked for a picture. So could do.
Thank
Good.
you. Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Nice people here.
It's always so funny when people are just like, okay, take picture of me. There are so many beautiful shops here in Galle. I feel like Galle is the first place in Sri Lanka that feels like very European, and yeah, I like it as a little break in our vacation.
We are super lucky to have found such an amazing place to stay close by. It's called the Jungle Loft and it is surrounded by nature and only, what, 15 minutes drive from here?
Yeah.
It is the perfect place, perfect location. We really love it and we've been there for like a few days and this is the reason we didn't get to Galle until now. We just didn't want to leave. We were just in the hotel enjoying and so relaxing.
The best.
Oh, yeah.
What up?
Belgium.
Oh, Belgium. You speak, I think, Vlaams.
Yes.
Ja, ik kan klein beetje Vlaams Nederlands spreken.
Nice.
Nice.
Waar woont je in België? Waar woont je?
We live in Asia. We live here.
Hier?
Well,
Not in Sri Lanka, but around there.
Thailand, Sri Lanka, India.
Ja. Maar dit is de eerste keer Sri Lanka. Eerste keer?
What?
Laatste
No,
keer?
no, second. We were
Tweede
here
keer.
3 months last year, now again 3 months.
After like an hour in Galle Fort, there's not a huge amount to do here other than shop.
No, it's a very sleepy town.
It is. There's a lot of tourists, but when you get off the main street,
It's empty. You have a space for yourself. It's nice and peaceful.
yeah. It reminds me a lot of Fort Kochi in India, which is, yeah, like I said to Silky, I was like, where does this remind me of? And I think it's all the similar types of shop.
The guy we took a shot of.
Yeah, it just reminds me a lot of Fort Kochi and the same kind of shops. And yeah, it's a beautiful place. It is beautiful, very simple. And wow, it's super sunny. This is the first super sunny day we've had in a long time. It has been raining non-stop in Sri Lanka, like non-stop. And today it was sunny.
Beautiful.
So we decided, let's head out and explore Galle.
Galle. They don't say Galle, they say Galle.
We got hungry and we decided we need to come and find some local food. In the centre there's a whole lot of nice cafes and restaurants, but they are, I would say, a little out of our budget, but I think they're a lot out of our budget. Everything seems very expensive, and it's beautiful and it's a nice location, it's a popular location. But there's a nice little spot just outside on the walls of the fort, and we are here for some veg rolls.
Veg roll? Veg roll, 2? And 1 veg soup? This really looks good. They look crunchy and like really nice. Oh, and the soup smells amazing. It's so nice. There's so many people here and they all like have their food from whichever stall they want. They come here, eat it, drink it. I like it. That was delicious. We saw that they have fruit juices here, so we're gonna try those as well. 100 rupees for a juice, good price, crazy. And this is just in Galle.
We were standing in the wrong queue.
We were in this queue for, I think, 10-15 minutes, and then the guy said like, oh, are you waiting here? We were like, yeah. He's like, you first need to order there, and then after you go there to pick it up. So
we got our little ticket, and I don't know if this is banana ×2, but I don't read goods in Galle. It's funny, the guys just said he's run out of glasses, and it's because people take the glasses, they go and sit wherever they want in the park, then just leave the glass there, and someone's got to run around bringing all the glasses back here. So got some glasses.
I saw a cow. And he's also enjoying the sun, so... Hey baby! Are you sweetie? Look at him enjoying the sun. Okay. I don't think he likes me.
And we have banana smoothie. Would have fallen my butt and I spilled both of them. Let's go watch sunset. We brought our own straws, so we're trying our best to do the best thing for the environment. Santi, love.
Santi. Oh, nice.
I did see him put around about 4 tablespoons of sugar in.
No.
Tastes good though, oh well.
We're joking, we love sweets.
YOLO.
YOLO.
Such an old school thing. Who says YOLO? Does anyone say YOLO anymore? The sun's just set. No, I'm joking. But we're going to watch sunset now because it looks super beautiful from here.
How cool is it that we can take this for sunsets, you know? Like we just walk with our drinks, we bring it back later.
Feels romantic.
This place is beautiful for sunset. Kieran is flying the drone and the view is just insane. It's so nice that there are so many people here. They all just watch the sunset. They have a nice little meal or drink. We are in the wrong spot for sunset. They say you should go to the Lighthouse, that's the most beautiful part. But we were just here having a drink, so we thought, let's watch the sunset from there. And it's actually perfect. The sun is setting just in front of me. This is actually really scary. My god, coming towards the edge it's high and there's like no barriers. In Europe there would be like glass all around the fort, or at least like, yeah, barriers, I guess. But here there's just nothing. Imagine like, no.
Nothing, no banisters. That's so typical of Sri Lanka, India, Nepal.
Sorry baby, I'm interrupting you because I've just told that.
Really?
I told them that it's so typical Asia. In Europe we would have banisters.
Oh yeah, there'd be like big things to make sure you're safe here, but here, no.
Nothing. I mean, look, The whole wall, there's people sitting around it and it's high.
And there's plenty of kids here as well. I saw kids running along this wall, and I don't know if it's the same on this side.
I
but
wouldn't bring
suspect
kids
it
here.
Probably is.
Put your kids on the leads, guys, when you come here.
Okay, so where's your lead up? Let's go. These guys here have mahiri-kiri te or mahiri-kiri kopi. I want one too. Oh, but we have something exciting now.
We have something very exciting coming up, so we were just on our walk like, oh, let's scroll through the streets again. I was like, wait, still have those glasses, so we have to bring this back first. Ayubowan. Last night.
I was sure that I read online that this is a carless street, but it's definitely not the case. So many cars, tuk-tuks, bikes, everything.
The online Google world is lying to us.
Yep, as always. A long time you live here? Really beautiful place and amazing location.
Thank you.
Your family's home, like from family?
Our grandparents also in here.
Okay, amazing.
Not this one, but inside the port.
Inside the port, okay.
We don't find a lot of local people here in Galle. I feel like it's mostly for tourists. But we found this family and we saw them earlier. They were reading newspapers. Super cute. And yeah, they're really sweet. Very nice people. So our plan for tonight is we're getting a massage. We've been invited by Tonic Spa here in Galle and we haven't had a massage in so long, so this will be just a perfect way to end our day in Galle. Sunday.
Wow.
Refreshing.
So refreshing.
There's so many different massages from Asian tradition to Balinese, Californian classic, deep tissue combination. Yeah, I think we're going for an Asian tradition.
Guys, see you after the massage.
Bye.
Oh, good morning, guys.
The massage was just absolutely incredible.
I think it was the best massage of my life. Like, really, Momo. I had Momo. He really, woof. Like, he cracked my neck. He cracked everything. It felt amazing. The pressure was incredible, and I honestly do think that was probably the best massage I've had in my life. Really.
I didn't have the cracks, but it was incredible. We highly recommend Sri Lanka.
I feel, wow, brand new.
Ready for bed. We were having a tea and then this happened. Oh.
Yeah, now you're done. This is the done real.
Wow, I've never cracked so much in my life. Holy frick, it was crazy. I've had some neck cracks before, but this was felt like it was so strong. I mean, and on my fingers, everything, it was crazy.
So to finish the evening, I said we had one last thing, and if you know us, we have a real sweet tooth.
This is where we're going. Isle of Gelato. We heard this ice cream place is just the best in Sri Lanka, so we have to try it out.
It is the best selling ice cream.
Yes?
Oh, salty caramel. Okay.
Whoa, you will love that.
Yeah?
That's a sweet one. Can you go upstairs? This is so freaking good.
I went for the sea salt and caramel, the peanut butter, and the nutty profession. Guys, our time in Galle has come to an end.
We love this place so much.
I mean, the massage and the gelato, they made it for me. Like, Galle is beautiful, the fort is cool, but go for a massage and some gelato, and that is the Galle package. I'd say that's SilkyRonTheRoad's top 2 recommendations right here.
Guys, if you like this vlog, please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell.
All of that good stuff, and we will see your beautiful faces on the next adventure.